Having trouble remembering what you need to do for homework? There's a new app in Office 365 that will really help you get it done. When you come to your main page, I need you to go to the waffle, and I want you to go to All Apps. Find something that says To Do, and launch To Do. When To Do opens, it'll give you a little bit of information about the app. So there's a couple of different options on the left-hand side. One is called My Day, which would be anything that you wanted to add to today's list. But I would start with the to-do list. And when you click on Add a To-Do, say you have, okay, and then you click Add. Now you can do a couple of different things here. You can double click on it, and you can say add to my day so that you know it's due, if it's due today. You can also add a due date. Let's say it's due on Friday. So you click due date and you say pick a date, and maybe it's due on Friday, and you save it. You can also add a reminder to say remind me tomorrow, and then you can even pick a time, tomorrow evening, and then save it. And you'll get a reminder to do that homework. You can also, when it comes time to Friday, add it to my day. So you can do this with every single class. So if you had an ELA assignment, and maybe it's due today, so you don't need to do anything with that one, just add it. The other thing you can do, if you really wanted to, you could create a list for math homework, a list for, so you could create a math homework list. You could create an ELA list, or just call it ELA. You don't even need to call it homework, and so on. When you're done, if you complete it, you click on it and it will actually check it off for you. There are a couple of options from the to-do list. You can sort it by the due date alphabetically, the date you created it, the day you completed it. You can also change the theme. So if you don't like this color purple, you can change it to green or some other color. And there are images behind the background that you can change it to. And then you can also hide completed. So as soon as it's done, it can go away. I kind of like to see what I did, so there you go.